idea. But it's okay, guys. Still, I hope you all had great Christmas celebration. You ate a lot of cake and sweets, had great dinners. And as you all could see in the title of this video, I have some amazing news. Yes, I do. But before I get into this, I hope you all have watched my last vlog from Friday, because in there you guys experienced with me that we have reached 200,000 subscribers, and you saw that kind of live. Kind of. Not really, but kind of. Because I shot the reaction. So all of you who haven't seen it, if you're a true Rickster, you go and watch my vlog right now. The link is right here. Make sure to watch it after this video, of course. But yes, guys, we've reached 200,000 subscribers. Like, this was me muted because if I scream, I think the camera will break. So I'm not gonna do that, guys. But yes, guys, it's just so awesome, and thank you so much again. I already said that in my last Friday vlog, but I'm just so super excited. I never knew this was gonna happen so quickly. This year has been just an immense year for me, and I hope also for you, because I was performing live on FanFest this year. I was speaking at Ink Live. I spoke at TEDx. I was on the stage for India Today Youth Summit alongside like big Bollywood celebrities. Like, what? So that happened, and I got my silver YouTube play button, and I traveled a lot. I was in Miami, I was in LA, I was in Sydney, and God knows where else, Japan exactly, and had amazing meet and greets with some of you Ricksters who came to it and also saw me dancing as well for the first time. Watch that video right here, guys, if you haven't. But yeah, talking about meet and greets, we just had Christmas. I crossed 200,000 subscribers. New Year's is coming up, and my birthday is coming up, guys. So yeah, as you could read in the title of this video, I am planning to throw you guys a party. Yes, I'm having a meet and greet on my birthday. 4 बज गए लेकिन पार्टी अभी बाकी है. And I wanted to celebrate my birthday with all of you Awesomatic Ricksters, because you guys are the reason why I am here today, and there's nothing more awesome that could happen, which is to celebrate with you guys. It's gonna be on the 13th of January. It's gonna be at Sassy Spoon in Mumbai, Bandra, between 4:30 to 7 p.m. and it's open to absolutely everybody. Anybody can come, any age, and there's no restriction that only plus 18. No. If you are 12, if you are 10, or even if you're 89, whatever your age is, please come, and it would make me so happy to celebrate with you. The only thing I need you to do is to fill out a registration form, which is given in the link below, so I know that you are confirmed that you will be at my birthday party bash. And I know for all the ones who are not living in Mumbai or close to Mumbai, I'm sorry it's happening only here for now, but I will be shooting a vlog, so you guys can actually celebrate with me afterwards at least, and maybe that might go also live at some point. We don't know, maybe I'm just saying it. So you all should stay tuned to YouTube and Facebook and figure out what's gonna happen, because a lot of things will be happening actually. Also, Ricksters, if you plan to come earlier to Sassy Spoon in Mumbai, please make sure not to enter the venue before 4:30, because I only have the venue from 4:30 onwards, and if you go there earlier, then they might never let me have another party there again, and that would be sad. Don't do that, okay? Just wait outside, okay? I'll come, okay? And also there's a giveaway, because one lucky person will win a dinner for 2 at Sassy Spoon itself. Hello! You can take there anybody you want, your romantic interest maybe, or your best friend, it doesn't matter. All you need to do is follow me on Twitter at Rikshawali and tag me and at The Sassy Spoon, telling us why you think you are sassy, and use the hashtag I am sassy with it. Don't forget. And I shall pick the winner of this contest at my meet and greet itself, so make sure to come. So I wish you all a very, very happy new year 2017. Party hard and enjoy a lot and have a blast, because you know what? Next year is going to be even more amazing and more awesome things to accomplish, and I just cannot wait. And always remember, be grateful for everything in life and always be positive, because positive things only happen to positive people. So sending you all a big love punch your way, and see you all in 2017 at my meet and greet. Bye-bye!